Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's take a closer look at Grasp Sparrow's tail. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the latest Tai Chi videos. Grasp Sparrow's tail is an iconic move in the Yang style form. So let's take a closer look and really break the move down. Let me demonstrate it once. Begin with your weight on one leg and step out with your heel. Your hand comes up, ward off, roll back, press, roll back again, and push. So when you do Grasp Sparrow's tail, it's very important that you get your stance correct. One of the most common mistakes I see with beginners is that they step out with not enough width in their stance, and then the entire move isn't correct. So as you step out, you start with hold the ball, and as you step out into the move, you have to create width with your stance. So step out with enough width, then you'll be able to execute the move properly. So as I come up, I feel strong intention on the outside of my forearm. This is ward off. As I come up and I roll back, my hands come back, but not behind me. So don't bring your hands all the way behind you. Just bring your hands to the side. Then your other hand comes and you go wrist to wrist. Then shift your weight forward as you press. Roll back again to your center. Hands come back down to your center. And now push. And you finish with a triangle in between your hands. Now let's practice it again using our center. So this move is very important, and it's a good move to learn to use your center to execute the move. So start with holding the ball. As you step out, use your center. Ward off. As you roll back, use your center, roll back. And use your center, press. I use my center to roll back again. And from my center, push. Let's practice it like how it is in the Yang style form, the 24 posture. I finish from monkey repulses. Hold the ball, step, ward off, roll back, press, roll back again, and push. I pivot my foot and shift my weight, hold the ball on the other side, ward off, roll back, press, roll back again, and push. That was a closer look at Grasp Sparrow's tail. Keep practicing. Stay healthy. Stay strong.